Welcome back. Eating healthy is a realistic goal, and week after week, Chef Tarun is helping us achieve this goal with his very easy to cook recipes that we can whip up in a few minutes. Let's learn some and indulge.
Hello viewers, welcome to Pinch of Health. Today I'm going to cook a very delicious and healthy dish. As you all know, breakfast is very important meal of the day, and I'm going to cover a very delicious breakfast which is going to be tofu scrambled eggs. Yes, you heard it right. Tofu scrambled eggs, completely vegetarian. It's tofu. It will look like scrambled eggs, but it's completely made of tofu. So vegetarian lovers, this is the perfect dish for you. It's a complete dose of happiness in the morning. So let's see, what do we need. We have garlic, fresh spring onions, silken tofu, fresh tofu, and a beautiful piece of French baguette. So let's begin. So I'm going to chop some garlic here. I'm going to chop some spring onion. So we will start with pumice olive oil, just a dash. So we'll wait until the oil gets hot. Chopped garlic. We have fresh spring onion. So once they are golden brown, we will add 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of paprika, there we have silken tofu, so as you see, the turmeric and paprika gives a beautiful color to the scrambled eggs, which is exactly looking like. Now I'm going to take some chunks of fresh tofu. I'm going to add it to the pan. So now I'm not going to mash them up. It's perfectly mixed. I'm going to season it with salt. A pinch of black pepper, of course. And the final is fresh spring onion leaves. So it's done. Now we are ready to serve. So I have this beautiful toasted sliced baguette bread. Wow, this is so beautiful, so aromatic, and I'm going to plate up. So this is scrambled tofu, right on toast. So let's garnish with some fresh spring onion. So this is your scrambled tofu on toast. It's super loaded with protein, and it's zero cholesterol, and it will keep you full throughout the day. So what else do you need for a healthy breakfast? Okay, so scrambled tofu on toast is done. Now it's time to make a refreshing drink with that. So it is very super simple. We have only 4 ingredients in a glass. Fresh strawberry, we have lemon and sugar and water. Usually it goes with soda, but this time I'm not gonna do that. We are going healthy here and super easy. So let's begin with that. So first thing, I'm gonna take the strawberries here. Make sure they are washed and super trimmed. Taking around 6 to 8 strawberries for 1 glass. Lemon. We'll slice it into half. Make sure we remove the seeds because we don't want to have any seeds while we blend the drink. So see, 2 ingredients and we are done. So let's open the blender. It's time to throw the strawberries. Fresh lemon juice. I like it more lemony, so I'm gonna add extra lemon to it. My third ingredient is sugar. It's up to you if you want more sugar, but I'm okay with like around 2 spoons. My last ingredient, water. Around 1 cup, which is okay. Now it's time to blend in. That's it. We are ready to serve. So let's pour in. Wow, what a beautiful color. Just look at that. I love strawberries, so that's why I used in this recipe. But if you don't like the berries, you can use the watermelon instead, and it will give you the same refreshing flavor. So now it's time to garnish it with strawberry. So I'm going to make a small slit, and it's ready to go. Alright, so this is done. I can't wait to try this. Even you should try this out. That's all for today. Keep watching Z Connect. See you next week. Take care.
Let's take a quick recap. For tofu scrambled eggs, take non-stick pan and wooden spatula. Put pomace olive oil 1 tablespoon. Add chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Saute it. Now add chopped spring onion 1 tablespoon. Now add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon and saute it. Now add silken tofu 1 cup. Mix it well. Now add fresh tofu 3 tablespoons. Salt 1 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Now add fresh spring onion leaves chopped 1 tablespoon. Serve scrambled tofu on toasted bread warm. Garnish with fresh spring onion leaves. For drink, take blender. Take 1 cup strawberries, half lemon juice, 1 cup water and blend it until smooth. For garnish, on the rim of the glass, put fresh strawberry and serve chilled.